How to take pictures of cheer and dance. Cheer. There are two types of cheer events: cheer at sporting events and competition cheer. What we usually see and are familiar with is cheer at sporting events, and that is what we'll cover here. Dance. This is not drama or stage dance. This is dance that is done at sporting events with the cheer team. Gear. Camera. Use a camera with a high maximum ISO of 25,600. This is because the sidelines and gym can be and are dim places to shoot. Lenses. On the field, 17 to 50 2.8 and 70 to 200 2.8. For the entire team, you may need a wide lens like the 17 to 50 2.8. Use the 70 to 200 for the smaller groups and individuals in the halftime show, but remember you may have to switch back to the 17 to 50 for the entire team, or use the 18 to 140. In the gym, use the 17 to 50 2.8. Exposure mode. Set the exposure mode to M for manual. Set the lens to wide open, which is the smallest number. Set the shutter speed to 1/400th of a second, and make sure that your ISO is set to auto ISO, so the camera will adjust the ISO level to allow the exposure to be correct for the aperture and shutter speed you set. Where and when. Cheer and dance perform at many games. On the field, football. In the gym, basketball, and at other sports. Performances are on the sidelines and at halftime on the field or court. Like sports, the challenging location will be the night and gym games, where the lighting is dim, and the sidelines are usually dimmer than the center of the field or court. Where to shoot from. Cheer and dance are performed for the spectators. Thus, your best view will probably be from the top of the bleachers. If there is a front-to-back depth of the performance, it is easier to see that depth from the bleachers, where you're looking down on the performers, than standing on the ground. At some fields, it can be difficult to run from the field through the crowds of students to the top of the bleachers. So one of the photographers should be assigned the job of shooting cheer and dance from the bleachers, and that person should be up there before halftime starts. Cheer lifts. For lifts, to get the visual effect of the lift, you should be standing on the ground, so the person who is lifted is above you. But now we have a conflict. If you're going to get the lift from the ground, but you want the team shot from high on the bleachers, you need two people. Sideline performance, shot from the top of the bleachers. Halftime performances. Cheer, we're shooting down on the field. Notice on the bottom picture there is a depth from front to back. The girls are in a V shape. To get that V effect, you need to be looking down on them from the bleachers. Dance. Junior varsity cheer and dance. If you have a JV cheer or dance team, take pictures of them. Don't leave them out. They will be next year's varsity cheer and dance teams. JV cheer. Picture top, doing their halftime show. Picture bottom, their sideline show. Competition cheer. There was only one on-campus competition cheer event. This was during the COVID year when we had to shoot that by video. They couldn't go to a competition. Otherwise, competition cheer is at an away location. The end. Thank you.